This is a pear. This is a lemon. Put the two together and they make a beautiful pear. See what I did there? All right, welcome back. Sleep Science today, Sleepytinis today. Chamomile, pear, lemon. Let's get started. Need some pear. Let's cut off some pear. You don't need a whole lot of this stuff. You can make several Sleepytinis with minimal ingredients. So we're putting some pear into our muddling glass. We're going to take our strainer and we're going to squeeze some lemon in and we're going to catch the seeds. I think this lemon has the most seeds of any lemon I've ever seen. My goodness. It keeps coming and coming. Lots of seeds. Okay. That's our pear. That's our lemon. We've got some melatonin. Put that in. And chamomile tea again. Yeah, there's other things we can use, but chamomile tea is just so subtle and relaxing. It's got the chamomile. It helps kind of loosen things up. Really no downsides to chamomile tea. So let's start muddling. Okay. Pear is a little bit harder than like mango or watermelon or some of the other softer fruits. As I'm making this, you know what I'm realizing? I got some fresh ginger here. I'm going to put some of that in here. Just a little bit. Just to give it that hint of flavor. All right. What do? We add ice. And then I like to strain this again because we've got all that fiber in there from the pear and it's just not going to mix well. Okay, put that to the side and we do our little dance. Let's take a look. Final product. Yeah, pear color. And for the tasting. Wow. The lemon and the ginger give it just enough of a, I don't want to even call it a bite, but it's that zing. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. A zing of flavor, but you get that underlying pear. And then knowing that this is going to help you get to sleep. You got your melatonin, you got your chamomile. You may actually want to have a pair of these before you go to bed because it'll put you to sleep. So there we go. There's another Sleepytini on Sleep Science Today. If you come to the Sleep Science Today channel, you will find all sorts of long-form shows that teach you all about sleep science. You'll learn about, well, how about the book that I have out there? Or shorter shows, or other shorts on other interesting topics. Everything about helping you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you have insomnia, if you have nightmares, if you have jet lag, whatever it may be, sleep apnea, we talk about it all. Join us on Sleep Science Today. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, tell your friends, and comment below.